I'll be showing you how to create a 3D text reflection off a surface. First, you must select custom text and make it say whatever you want it to say. Next, you need to adjust the text to match the surface you're reflecting it on for a little realism. After you have your text set where you want it, copy and paste the text and turn it upside down. Then you must use the Draw Mask feature to cut part of the bottom text off of the reflection to look realistic. After that, you need to add the focus blur effect onto the bottom text and change the opacity to make it look like a reflection. And last, you can mess with the feather and fall off feature to smoothen out the edges of the text. And that's how you reflect 3D text off of a surface.